Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to demonstrate the use of the static modifier. So in this program I have got an instance of the scanner, and what I've done is I've passed it through to the method, because once I've declared this instance of the scanner over here, it is not known in this method, so I cannot use it outside of the main. So I'll show you how this runs. I'm just going to write test, and it tells me that my entry was test. But if I didn't pass it over here, there's going to be an issue. So right now it doesn't identify what input is, and you might not always want to. So one way is to actually pass the instance to other methods so that they can get entry from the user. But if you didn't want to do that, you can declare this as static, and you can do that before the main. So what I'll do is I'll just cut that above and removed all of the parameters and arguments, and it's still having a problem. It still doesn't identify what input is. So I need to let the program know that this is going to be a class variable, and to do that I would declare this with the keyword static. Now this becomes a class variable. It means that it belongs to the whole class, and it can be used within all methods of the class, and you can see now it identifies the variable. You can also make this private, meaning that this will only be accessible within this class only, but since I haven't showed you examples of multiple classes, you don't have to worry about this for now, but we'll talk about this in future videos, the meaning of those access modifiers. But now when I run the program, and I still have it working exactly the same, but I don't have to worry about passing the input as an argument and declaring the method with parameters. So I hope this was helpful for you, and I'll see you in future videos.